Good morning, children. Let's start with the next chapter, that is trigonometry. Now, trigonometry, the word comprises of three words, that is trigonometry. Tri means three, gono means angles, metry means measure. So, in trigonometry, we deal with a right angle triangle. Here, one angle is 90 degree. The sum of other two angles will also be 90 degree. That is, angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So in a right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Then the side opposite to angle B, that is known as hypotenuse. So AC is the hypotenuse. Then earlier we used to define BC as the base and AB as the height or altitude. But now it will all depends upon the angle which we are considering. Suppose हम एंगल C ले रहे हैं तो BC बेस है, AB altitude है. But if we are taking angle A, then the base is AB and the perpendicular is BC. So we will define base as a side adjacent to angle A. So means base is AB and perpendicular is side opposite to angle A. So opposite to angle A we have side is BC. So perpendicular is BC. Now we define the trigonometric ratios. First one is sin A. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So when we consider this angle A, so perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Then cos of A is base upon hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. Tan A is perpendicular upon base, so that is BC upon AB. Cot A is base upon perpendicular, that is AB upon BC. Then secant A is the reciprocal of cos A, that is hypotenuse upon base, AC upon AB. And cosecant A is reciprocal of sin A, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, AC upon BC. So cot A is 1 upon tan A, secant A is 1 upon cos A, cosecant A is 1 upon sin A. So using Pythagoras theorem, we always have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now trigonometric ratios we can define it in a shorter way, easy to remember. That is Pandit, Badri, Prasad, Har Bole, Sona, Chandi, Tole. So sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos is base upon hypotenuse, tan is perpendicular upon base.